In this video, we'll learn how to create a P&S report in PinkyBill. 1. Access the patient's visits. Click on the Patients tab from the main menu. Open the desired patient. Navigate to the Visits tab. 2. Open the P&S form. Click on the settings icon of the visit for which you want to create an P&S. Select PR4 from the list of available forms. 3. Fill in the PR4 details. The form will open with patient, provider, and claim information already filled in. Interim history. Provide a brief summary of relevant updates since the last report. Present complaints. Record the patient's reported symptoms. Physical examination. Enter examination results. Review of medical records. Review the medical records if available. Diagnosis. Enter the correct diagnosis. One of the most valuable features in the P&S form is the automatic impairment rating calculation. When you select the range of motion for each body part, PinkyBill instantly calculates the impairment percentages based on AMA guidelines. This automation saves time, ensures accuracy, and reduces the risk of manual calculation errors. Work restrictions. Indicate the patient's ability to work and any restrictions. Provide final notes or care plans and recommendations, if required. The file name is automatically generated by PinkyBill. If needed, you can rename it before saving. You can review the report by downloading it from here. Save and store the P&S. Click Save as Patient Docs. The P&S will be stored under the Files tab in the Medical Reports folder. Your P&S has now been successfully created. You can click on it to open and review the document. Editing a P&S. Click the Download button to download it as a Word file. Make your edits, then upload the updated file back into the patient's medical reports folder.
PinkyBill.